Probably home. Probably home. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy POV Peter. I have my new to me E93 M3 here in a beautiful alpine white color. Today I'm gonna be doing some cold start and POV driving with my new ACM Exhaust Mod. If you guys don't know what that is, basically it's like a full pass-through of the OEM muffler. The OEM car will have perforated piping in the back, which basically, you know, like circulates the sound a bit inside there, so it comes out a lot quieter. But with the ACM mod, you basically bypass those pipes completely, and it's basically a straight pipe with the muffler still intact. The advantages to this is you get that full muffler delete sound without all the drone and rasp that you usually get with just a normal muffler delete. So it's a bit different than your 2 or 4 pipe mod from the OEM side. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, to recap, that was the ACM Exhaust Mod. Basically, it's a straight bypass. We're like completely bypassing the perforated pipes inside the muffler. So it's almost like a straight pipe, but with the muffler still intact. The cost was $400. That's how much I paid for the exhaust. If you had a shop do it, it would probably cost around the same, maybe a little less. But mine came with a little upgrade. It came with the EAS tips already, which those were $250 by themselves. So I believe I got a good deal. I think the sound clip speaks for themselves. I think for the cost, it's much more cost effective than purchasing a much more expensive name brand muffler, and you really lose some of that S65 sound that you get. So anyways, in my opinion, is money well spent. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I'll be posting my build and my journey for my 2013 E93 M3. This is your boy POV Peter. I'm out. Peace.